Unlock new storage options for your Xiaomi C500 camera. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to insert a micro SD card hassle-free. Let's dive in. Step 1. Power off the camera. Ensure your camera is powered off to prevent any potential harm to the device or the SD card. Step 2. Card slot. Gently slide the lens upwards to uncover the micro SD card slot. Step 3. Install the micro SD card. With caution, insert the SD card into the slot until you either hear a click or feel it firmly seated. Step 4. Activate the camera. Once the SD card is in place, power up your camera. It will automatically detect the SD card and configure it for operation. Step 5. Check SD card status. Open the My Home app. Choose the camera and press Open. Go to the settings by tapping on the 3 dots. Choose Manage Storage. Select SD card status, and you will see the card status as good, indicating it is working correctly, along with the available recording time. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi C500 camera in the playlist linked in the description below.